to my channel, Only in Your Mind. It has been a very long time since I've posted any makeups or any face paintings. So I've been really busy. I make soap. I have my own business with that, and it's going wonderful. I really enjoy it. I'm going to continue doing that, but I'm also going to be doing face painting. And not like this, because I mean, it would be awesome if I could actually do face and body paint like this for people, more cosplay-ish. But you know, who knows where it'll take me. Maybe it will take me to doing stuff like that. So I will be a face painter for birthday parties and festivals. And that's what I've been really practicing, which is the little stuff like unicorns, superhero stuff, rainbows, butterflies, all that really awesome stuff that kids really enjoy and parents really love seeing on their kids. But let's get to this makeup. So this is Nala from Lion King. I've had a lot of people say they wanted to see her makeup. I actually thought I did her makeup, but I didn't. And with the movie coming out, I thought, hey, let's get it done. So if you want to see how I did Nala's makeup from Lion King, just keep watching. As always, I'm wearing a strapless dress. And I'm using a white eyeliner to do a rough draft of Nala's face on my face. I also used several photos that I probably shouldn't have that I found online of Nala, because that made me create many more mistakes that I shouldn't have because I was following too many designs of Nala. So right now I'm using a color called Mango, and it is from Mayron Paradise. For Nala's nose and her tongue, I'll be using a light pink. Then for around her mouth and her eyes, I'll be using another tan color. I don't remember the name, but these paints are all from Mayron Paradise. I'll put them in my description box below if you guys want to check them out and see what colors I used. So guys, like I said in my intro, I have been having tons of fun creating really awesome designs for parties and festivals. My husband has been awesome, just allowing me to practice on his face, because it's different when you practice on a practice board because it's flat. So right here I'm doing inside of Nala's mouth. I will be changing part of her mouth and also part of her eyes because I used several different photos, and I shouldn't have. I knew better because I always make that mistake. I see several photos of the character that I like, and then I can't choose between them, and I go back and forth with the design, and I just don't like the way the makeup lines up. So I'm using yellow right now, and I'm gonna use inside for the pupil a light green, which is a lime green, and then I'm going to change it up because it's way too light. I'm going to use Amazon green, I think. But all these colors, like I said, I'll put in my description box below. For the neck, I am using that same color that I used for her muzzle and around her eyes, and here I am using that mango color again. To create Nala's ears, I used a foam sheet that I purchased at Walmart. I folded it in half and I just held it up to the side of my face and just figured out what size I wanted. And then I cut it. I painted it with the same face paint that I used. And then I used spirit gum to stick them on the side of my face. After I got her ears securely on my face as best as I could, I went ahead with that same face paint color that I used for her face, and I basically filled in all the areas so it looks like the ears connected to the face. I'm using black from Wolfe, and I'm going to start outlining the whole makeup. I'm doing her eyes right now, and I will be changing this eye right here. I used one image that I thought looked really cute, and both eyes were different, but later on you'll see me go in and change this eye and create the eyes to look the same. So guys, I have a really cool idea. Because I've been creating some designs for parties and festivals, if you guys have any ideas of cool designs that I could do at parties and festivals, it would be awesome if you put them in my comments below. And if I'm successful at your suggestions, in other words, if my designs look cool, you know, then I would make a video and post them on my channel. I think that would be pretty awesome to do. It would be fun too. And it'll give me some ideas and different things than what I've been doing. But of course, it won't be anything like this. It won't be a full face makeup. So right now, I just got done doing her teeth. And then I decided that her nose did not look right. So I changed her nose, and that was just my thing. It wasn't something that I saw in a photo. I just had to change it. So I'm filling in the negative spots with some black from Mayron Paradise. Then I decided to give her forehead more of a curve to it. So I'm just going to take off some of that paint and fill it in. And then of course change the eyes and the mouth like I said I was going to do. So guys, we are coming to the end of this video. I wanted to take the time to thank you guys for sticking with me during my long period of not posting any videos. I needed inspiration. I went to that face painting conference, got that inspiration, came home and started painting really cool party and festival designs. I think I might be posting those as well along with these type of videos, more, you know, full face videos. I'll try to post some of those too if I can, and yeah, maybe do some of my practice videos and post them online. So if you are a face painter, maybe that might help you too, to practice along with me. That might be pretty awesome. But again, if you have any designs that you would like to see, put them in my comments below, and I will try my very best to create something with what you guys suggested. So thank you so much. You guys are amazing and awesome, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you guys so much for sitting back and watching me do this makeup of Nala from The Lion King. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and if you did, give me a like if you want, and you know, check out my other Lion King makeups. I have a ton of Lion King makeups, and I think I'm going to continue to do more. With the movie coming out, I want to get in as much as I can because, you know, who doesn't like Lion King? Lion King is pretty awesome. And if you guys, you know, want to subscribe to my channel, please do. I would love to have you as part of my Only in Your Mind family. And I'll see you guys on my next makeup.